Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to enable Always-On Widgets on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, if you want to enable and customize those Always-On display widgets on your phone, then simply follow those steps. First, you need to open it, but do not unlock it now. Simply hold your finger and then click on Customize Lock Screen, and now you can unlock the phone. Here, as you guys can see, let me show you. Here we have the widgets area. We can expand it if we want, but let me show you. Let me add the battery widget now. Here I just need permission, but yeah, you know guys what I mean. We got two widgets now, and as you guys can see, here we can see them, but they are not always on display. So now what we need to do is unlock our phone back, go over to settings, and now go to lock screen. Here scroll here until you see always on display right at the bottom, and now enable it. Here, as you guys can see, after we turn off our phone, here we will see those two widgets, and that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.